Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I have a Halloween project share to share with you guys. I decided to create a advent calendar, kind of like a 12-day countdown to Halloween for my desk. And I was inspired by a crepe paper video, which I'll have linked down below. Definitely go check it out. It's something cute to have on your desk that you can kind of count down the days to Halloween. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like this right now, because this angle, the way I have my phone, is not the greatest. But I will have a little clip at the end of the video showing you guys the way it looks like just standing up and how it looks all the way around. But this is basically what it looks like. It's like a little desk calendar. I have it decorated on the back with the Hey Pumpkin collection is everything that I used. I have a little ephemera piece that I stitched through. You have a little hole here that holds the little tag flip. There's a little pocket here where, all right, I'm going to show you guys what I have inside the little pocket. I have this cute little rosette. On the video, I think they're using the crepe paper, the one with the skateboards and stuff. I forgot the name of that collection. I can't remember the name of that collection. It's not Halloween, but I'll have the video down below so you guys can check it out. So I have a little broomstick right here and this little clip that came in one of my embelly boxes. And then it's just a little pocket. Let me see if I can show you. It's like a little pocket. And then I just have like a little cut apart card that I stitched on. And that's the little pocket. There's a little chipboard, some little spiders, another little sticker from the cardstock stickers. So it's just a little decoration on the little calendar itself. And then this is the chunky countdown tag flip. So we started off on the 19th and then we have like the 18th. So I decorated a bunch of little cut aparts and added the numbers. Some of them are tags. 17, 16, and then I just added like a little ghosty for a little decoration. And we got 15, another little decoration, 14, 13. I ran out of like ones, so I started cutting up some of the little alphas. Gotta do what you gotta do. Look at this one, 12. Then we have 11. I love this one, the little die cut of the house. And then I just wrote out 10, 9, we have 8, 7, 6, another little decoration, kind of like letting you know it's almost Halloween. 5, 4, 3, and we have 2, and then we have 1, and then it just says Happy Halloween on the back. So it's just something fun to have on your desk, and you can kind of like look forward to that day and kind of bring it back. And it's super cute to save for every year, or if you have children, they can take turns doing the little flipping of the tag. The little wand that goes right there. I think it's such a cute little project, you guys. Definitely check out the video. Super easy to make, quick project. I made it like in less than an hour and I absolutely love it. And yeah, you guys, that is my project share for the day. Stay tuned for the little clip of how it looks standing on the actual desk. And I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.